Hi, I'm Eric Linask. I'm here at Supercom in Chicago. I'm talking with Chris Kendrick. Chris is the Senior Director of Business Development at Grandstream Networks. Chris, good to see you again.
Yeah, it's good to see you, Eric. Thanks.
Um, let's talk about video a little bit. Something
Yeah,
new, huh?
yeah. Well, we're on video, so we might as well talk a little bit about that.
First of all, you guys recently, a couple, 3, 4 months ago, introduced your new multimedia phone.
That's right. It's called the 3140. It is action-packed, filled with applications. It's one of the first video phones on the. Well, I think it's the only one on the market today that actually has a three-way video conference built into the device.
Well, that's neat.
Yeah. So.
You mentioned applications, though. What are some of the neat applications that people can use with it?
Well, we actually have YouTube as an application. We have instant messaging. We have, of course, you can get horoscopes. You can get RSS feeds. Internet radio. The list just keeps going on. It's really a pretty powerful list of.
Now, is there the flexibility for on the development side for people to build their own applications for it?
Well, yes. On the development side, we're building an XML interface specifically for service providers so that they can actually deploy the phone and control it, remove applications off of it, so they can customize it, tailor it for their needs. So yeah, it's going to be more open for end users, but right now we're just making sure that the service providers can actually deploy it successfully.
Is it the service provider community that really needs to sort of take the lead role in driving video calling to market?
Well, no, not exactly, because in every phone that we deliver, the 3140 model and series, it works right out of the box. As soon as you plug it in, you get a phone number, and you can call another 3140 on our network. So you don't need a service provider. We're allowing individuals to connect with their friends and families at no cost. But if you want to join up with a service provider, there are other lines and accounts that you can provision.
What impact like the Skypes and the Googles of the world have on what you're doing and on the video communication space in general?
Well, it's huge because when you look at Google and Google Voice, people actually love that application, and Skype. Skype is almost like a religion, really, truly is. So they are paving the path for us. We're an endpoint on the network, so one of these days, we aspire to work with them very closely so that we can provide video to Skype users also. And they're opening up a whole new realm. The incumbents, they work with our devices, they're embracing it, but the Googles and the Skypes, they are embracing it very fast. They have a huge install base.
And they're both sort of making forays, stronger forays into the business world as well. And I know that that's also a place where video communications can have a significant impact, especially in certain verticals. I know the healthcare space is one that you at Grandstream have been focusing on.
That's right. We're seeing our phones going into the visiting nurse programs and the virtual link services, the virtual relay services for the hearing impaired. But healthcare is only one segment. There are many other verticals where our products are being deployed, because now we're one of the first companies to deploy video surveillance that works with the phone also. So if you're at home, at work or at home, vice versa, and if you have one of our cameras set up, and if there's movement, it can call you, and you can see who's there or what's happening. If the UPS guy is dropping something off, if the dog's on your bed, or if you're getting a shipment into your warehouse. And we're tying this all around our PBX or a hosted service. So we're one of the few vendors, manufacturer out there that can provide that.
Where are you seeing greater uptake now, in the business market or the consumer space?
In the video side, it's about 50-50. That's right, yeah.
Oh, that's fantastic. And you see that continuing, or
Oh, absolutely. It's going to get even bigger. Every netbook has a video camera on it. That's a device that you have to boot up. You have to open up. Our video phone is always on. It's always ready to take a call. It's something that's familiar. You just dial the phone number. You can call that laptop if you want. You can call another 3140, but that phone is always ready. And a matter of fact, internet radio is playing. You get a call, it shuts down the internet radio. Take the call, you put the phone down, it resumes. So having a device like that on your desktop is a great asset.
excellent. We've been chatting here at the Supercom with Grandstream Networks' Chris Kendrick, and for more on all of Grandstream's video-enabled devices, it's the all-in-one IPPBX and everything else that Grandstream's been working on, check out their IP multimedia phone channel right here on TMCnet.
That's right.
Chris, thanks for joining us.
Good seeing you.